guys, it's Melissa with Web of Creativity, and this video is a preview video of my Fake Pocket Remastered mini album. So this is using Prima's paper collection Midnight Garden, which is absolutely gorgeous. So this is a remastered. I made it a little bit different, changed the side. This album right here is 7.5 by 8. The other Fake Pocket mini album I do not have physically with me. So I do have links below to so you can compare the sizes and the differences between them. So this is a remastered version, and again I said this was Prima's Midnight Garden. I love the colors, this dark maroon and the feathers and the flowers. It's just so beautiful. So this is a preview. I'm just going to go over this project real quick with you. And I do have a construction video on how to make it. And of course I have a written tutorial on my blog. And so this has, the kits have the papers, the cardstock, the ephemera packets, the flowers. These are the ephemeras. These right here I just fussy cut through, fussy cut out of the collection, the paper collection. This is ephemera. It's so gorgeous. This die right here is a Prima die. It's Prima Persian lace die. Just gorgeous paper. Love these flowers. So pretty. The construction video, at the end of it shows all the pages and how I matted everything, and throughout the whole video it shows you how to make the cover, the pages, how to mat, things like that. So there's a construction video, there's a kit video so you can see what's all in the kits. Oh, real quick, these flowers, ooh, they're so pretty. I have a video on these. So this one I already have a video. This one will either be up when I post this or will be up a little bit after. These uses the Graphic 45 metal flower dies. So I have a couple more of these little guys right here. They're so cute. They're so fun to make these flowers. So I have videos for that. And kits, tutorial, everything is on my blog, www.webofcreativity.net. All the links are below, and that's it. This is a remastered version of my first Fake Pocket mini album. I do have a Fake Pocket 2.0. It's not, it has different elements in it. I'll put the link down with that one as well so you can check out the differences. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching.